Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Nissan LEAF. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. Top features include front fog lights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, heated seats, blind spot sensor, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.